I hate spam.
I can't believe that this email is spam. I can't believe that this email is spam.
All the spam goes into this folder.
I think it's a virus.
Virus. If you're blocked, then just turn your phone off.
The website is blocked, so I'll just turn my laptop off.
When I turned my computer on, my profile was blocked.
Well, you didn't plug it in.
You backed your photos up, right?
I hope that you backed these documents up. I hope you backed up these documents. I hope that you backed these documents up. That hope. I hope that you backed these documents up. These up.
I'm pleased to meet you. And I hope to you see you again soon.
Don't worry, I backed everything up.
Peer. Pray.
Caviar. Virus.
Are you sure that your laptop doesn't have any viruses?
Maria backs her poems up before she prints them.
Have you plugged the printer in? Plugged you yet? Well, you did it. Plug it in.
Have you plugged the printer in yet?
Ben could use that old blender, couldn't he?
Have you plugged the printer in yet?
I was just looking at a new oven online.
Oops, I pasted that photo on my profile.
Push that button to turn on the vacuum.
All the spam goes into this folder. All the spam goes into this folder.
My laptop has more memory than this old computer.
I can't believe that this email is spam. I can't believe that this email is spam.
Maxim shouldn't tell me his password, should he?
He thought that my email was spam. He thought that my email was timer spam.
I need a new vacuum, and this model is so cool.
My passwords shouldn't include my name, should they?